Hi, I'm Chris Purser, and in this video we're going to look at weekend workout number 7. So welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to look at an awesome weekend workout that is really going to help when playing in triplet phrasing. So let's jump straight into this. Let's see the notation. You can see it's a 2-beat phrase. We're going to just repeat that 2-beat phrase throughout the weekend workout exercise. So all we're doing is subdividing some triplets. So in beat 1 we have a hi-hat and bass drum together, followed by 2 16th note ghost notes, then another hi-hat and bass drum together, and that completes our triplet. So we can count this as 1 1-ender, 1 1-ender. Subdividing triplets in this way is a really common way to hear them. Da, 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 da. If you think of like Carol the Bells, da, 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 da. 1 1-ender, 1 1-ender is all we're doing between the right and left hand. So let's hear that slowly broken down. Hey guys, if you're finding these videos helpful, please feel free to like and click that subscribe button. And finally in beat 2, we're going to play an accented snare drum, and then a hi-hat on its own, ghost note snare drum, and then another ghost note snare drum, keeping the exact same rhythmic shape as beat 1, still giving us that da 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 da, 2 2 and da, 2 2 and up. Okay, so now let's piece these 2 beats together. Again, thinking of that as 1 1-ender, 2 2-ender, dun 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 dun. It also gives us this nice 3/2 feel da, 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 when we put it into a groove context. So in the playing examples for this, I have played just this half-time boom, boom kind of vibe, and then I've gone into the boom, ding, da, ding, 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 da, ding, ding, the weekend workout to break away from the groove. So let's see that example in context. So there we have it, weekend workout number 7, a great way to work those ghost notes and get that weekend cooking in a triplet context. Give it a practice, it's an awesome way to beast that weaker end. As always, that PDF will be in the link below, as well as the links to the previous weekend workouts. Happy practicing, stay well, and we'll see you soon.